Imagine a mountain that can breathe fire. That's essentially what a volcano is. These geological marvels are windows into the fiery heart of our planet. They remind us that beneath the Earth's cool crust lies a world of immense heat and pressure. Volcanoes are scattered across our planet, both on land and beneath the ocean's surface. Some stand tall and majestic, while others remain hidden from view. But all volcanoes share one thing in common: they possess the power to unleash incredible forces of nature. Throughout history, volcanoes have captivated our imaginations. They have inspired awe and fear in equal measure. From ancient myths to modern science, we have sought to understand these fiery giants. Join me now as we delve into the fascinating world of volcanoes. Deep beneath our feet, the Earth's mantle churns with molten rock called magma. This magma is constantly searching for an escape route to the surface. When it finds a crack or weakness in the Earth's crust, it rises up through it. This upward movement of magma creates a volcano. Over time, as more and more magma erupts onto the surface, it cools and solidifies. Layer upon layer of cooled lava, ash, and rock build up around the vent. Eventually, this forms the iconic cone-shaped mountain we associate with volcanoes. But not all volcanoes are created equal. The shape and size of a volcano depend on several factors. These include the type of magma, the frequency of eruptions, and the surrounding landscape. Let's explore the different types of volcanoes and their unique characteristics. Imagine a volcano as a master chef with a variety of recipes. Just like different ingredients create different dishes, different types of magma and volcanic activity create different types of volcanoes. Three main types stand out: shield volcanoes, composite volcanoes, and cinder cone volcanoes. Shield volcanoes are like giant pancakes, wide and flat. They form from runny lava that flows easily over long distances. Think of the Hawaiian Islands. Those are the work of shield volcanoes. Composite volcanoes, also known as stratovolcanoes, are the dramatic divas of the volcano world. They are steep-sided and towering, built up by layers of viscous lava and explosive eruptions. Mount Fuji in Japan and Mount Rainier in the United States are iconic examples. Finally, we have cinder cone volcanoes. These are the smallest and simplest type, formed by the accumulation of volcanic fragments called cinders. They often resemble a pile of ash and rock with a bowl-shaped crater at the top. When a volcano erupts, it's a spectacular release of energy. Imagine a shaken soda bottle finally popping its top. Pressure builds up inside the volcano from the expanding gases in the magma. When the pressure becomes too great, it forces its way out in a dramatic eruption. Eruptions can be explosive or effusive depending on the composition of the magma. Explosive eruptions are like giant fireworks, sending plumes of ash and rock high into the atmosphere. These eruptions are often accompanied by pyroclastic flows, which are superheated mixtures of gas and volcanic debris that race down the slopes at incredible speeds. Effusive eruptions, on the other hand, are more like overflowing honey. They involve the outpouring of fluid lava flows that creep down the volcano's flanks. While less dramatic than explosive eruptions, effusive eruptions can still be incredibly destructive. Let's now turn our attention to some of the most famous volcanic eruptions in history, events that have left an indelible mark on our planet and our collective memory. Section 5. When volcanoes roared through history. The year was 79 AD. A seemingly peaceful mountain overlooking the Roman city of Pompeii suddenly roared to life. Mount Vesuvius, a composite volcano, erupted with a fury that would forever etch its name into history. The eruption buried Pompeii and neighboring Herculaneum under a thick blanket of ash and pumice, preserving them in a time capsule for centuries. Centuries later, in 1980, Mount St. Helens in Washington State, USA, awoke from its slumber. The eruption, one of the most powerful in recorded history, ripped away the top of the mountain and sent a massive ash cloud across the northwestern United States. These are just two examples of the many volcanic eruptions that have shaped our planet and its history. From the Deccan Traps eruptions that contributed to the extinction of the dinosaurs, to the ongoing activity of Kilauea in Hawaii, volcanoes remind us of the immense power that lies beneath our feet. Section 6. Volcanoes, agents of change. Despite their destructive potential, volcanoes are also creators. They are responsible for building new land, replenishing soil fertility, and shaping ecosystems. Remember those Hawaiian islands we talked about? They are a testament to the creative power of volcanoes. Volcanic eruptions release massive amounts of ash and lava into the environment. While initially devastating, these materials break down over time, enriching the soil and creating fertile ground for new life to flourish. Volcanic landscapes often boast unique ecosystems with high biodiversity. Moreover, the heat generated by volcanic activity can be harnessed for geothermal energy, a sustainable source of power. Iceland, a country located on a volcanic hotspot, is a prime example of how geothermal energy can be used to power homes and industries. Section 7. Living with the sleeping giants. Volcanoes are a constant reminder that we live on a dynamic planet. While they can pose significant risks, we are not powerless in the face of their awesome might. Scientists and researchers around the world work tirelessly to monitor volcanic activity and predict potential eruptions. Using sophisticated instruments and techniques, they track ground deformation, gas emissions, and seismic activity, looking for telltale signs of an impending eruption. Early warning systems and evacuation plans are crucial for saving lives and minimizing damage. Education and awareness are also paramount in living safely alongside volcanoes. Understanding the risks and heeding the warnings issued by authorities can make all the difference in times of volcanic unrest. Section 8. The enduring fascination with volcanoes. Volcanoes are a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. They are windows into the fiery depths of our planet, reminding us of the forces that have shaped Earth over billions of years. From the destructive fury of their eruptions to the life-giving properties of their aftermath, volcanoes continue to captivate our imaginations. They are a source of endless wonder and scientific inquiry, inspiring us to explore the mysteries of our planet and beyond. So the next time you see an image of a volcano, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and power. Remember that these fiery giants are not just geological formations, but dynamic forces that have played a vital role in shaping the world we know today.